What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. Guys, thank you so much for dropping by one more time as we give you guys this quick update on Sandown Palms. All right, so I have good news for you guys today. First of all, we still have units available for sale, so if you have not yet put in your application, you still have a chance to do so. I'm going to leave the contact information down in the description so you guys can go on and submit your application. So the starting price for these units, it is now set at $26 million. So if you're interested in getting one of these townhouses, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, you get your in-unit laundry as well, so you can go on, get all the information you need, contact HAJ if you have more questions, and they'll be happy to assist you so you can still get one of these units. The bad news is the standalone units are no longer available. Those are completely sold out. All right, so only thing that is left are the townhouses, and as you can see, there's one right behind me right now. See, there's another and another. You guys can get a quick view of the balcony, but guys, don't worry, we're going to give you a drone shot of where the development is. As you can see, the perimeter walls are right there behind me as well, so you don't even have to worry yourself about safety. This place will be gated. All right, so guys, we're going to jump into the drone shot, but remember, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, hit that post notification bell, turn your notifications to all. Remember to share out the videos, remember to like, remember to leave us your comments. Yes, I've seen other comments for Chester Creek, and we will definitely be at that location. All right, so the information that I just provided you guys with, that information was gathered on April 8th, 2024. So it's fresh information that I'm giving you. All right, so we're just going to jump into this drone shot, and I'll catch you guys on the other side. So ready? Here we go. Alright people, I hope you enjoyed that beautiful shot. As you can see, the development is coming on very nicely. The color of the units is very lovely, and as you can see, the roof as well has gone on a lot of these units compared to the last time that we were here. So guys, remember, if you are interested in a townhouse, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, go on to HAJ Housing Agency of Jamaica website. Their contact information is also in the description. You can reach out to them. A lot of work is still going on. You probably can hear some of the noise on the background, but I hope that this drone shot did something for you today. I hope it helped you to make a decision. I hope it gives, for those who already made their purchase, some comfort. The work is going on. In terms of a deadline, I don't have that for you today, but if you want, information is in the description. Make contact with the developers today for all the updates that you need. So it's my pleasure guys to give you guys this drone shot one more time. It's always fun just to fly, but it makes me even happier when you guys are happy for the contents that we produce. So thank you guys so much for supporting. Thank you guys, whether it is that you hit the like, whether it is that you share out the videos with your family and friends, we recommend you guys doing that. If you watched all the ads, we greatly appreciate that. But guys, just your overall support, it is appreciated. So thank you for making the ChriSamz one more time for your property tours and updates. And we'll catch you guys in another video. Maybe it's Chester Creek, Oak Estate. I might even go out of town. Leave your comments down below and we will make it happen. So catch you guys in another video. And it's peace out from ChriSamz, alright?